I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Guys, I'm really excited because I just got my first package for my Black Friday purchases. And this just came today in the mail from Express Stores. And let's see what it is. Well, I know what it is. This is so cute. Please don't hit me, but I'm obsessed. This animal print, you know. Sorry. This is just so cute. Let me open it. Okay. So, this is a blazer. The quality of the material is really good. Just love it. So I think I'm gonna wear it maybe later, and I'll show you guys how it looks. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna pair it with, but I'll post a picture. We'll have fun. Happy weekend. Actually, happy Sunday almost. So this is for the regular price, $128. But I paid for it about like $50 something. So it was a good Black Friday deal. Love it. Remember, animal print is like the new black.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.